How would you like to not only get paid for the products that you are actually selling, but double dipping into the earnings every single time? Sounds too good to be true, but it's not. So what you have to do is very simple. Aliexpress has an affiliate program that you can sign up for it. And every single time you're going to be buying an item, for example, this one right here, you're just going to be copying the link right up above and pasting it using a special method. Before you go ahead and do this, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and sign up for the Aliexpress portal, which is the affiliate program. Over here, what you have to do next is pretty much just pick the product you want to sell. We're going to be copying this down, the page URL here, pasting it right there, get tracking link, and you get the link right here, and you'll get commission for every single product that you'll be selling with this link itself. Furthermore, if you're going to be doing drop shipping, just use this specific link yourself and get paid for every product that you drop ship. How cool is that? Now, once you sign up for the Aliexpress affiliate program, you're going to be seeing something that looks exactly like this. Aliexpress affiliate site strip is what you have to get. Then what you can actually do here is to press on the text to get the actual text for the product, or to get the image instead. Well, you can add this to your own website, and you can also show this on Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Let's go ahead and show this to Twitter. Let everybody know about this cool, awesome product that is for sale. Overall, this is an excellent way for you to make money. Not only that, the commission rate is a whopping 20% on some products. So I do suggest for you to go ahead and try this out, because this is a way for you to maximize your money using a very specific and very nice way to profit with Aliexpress.